Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X300 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So, to get started, you will want to press the power button and volume up at the same time, which brings up boot options. And here we're going to use the top one, swipe right to power off. Now when the device turns off, which is now, you want to hold power button and volume up. The device will start to boot up, and in a second let's try that again. I'll let go of the power button just so I don't confirm this again. So as you've seen, what just happened is when I was letting go of these two buttons, it accepted the release of a power button as a confirmation of the first option, as we confirm options by power button. And the first one here selected is reboot, so it just leaves this mode. If when you let go of these buttons, your screen automatically turns off again, start holding these buttons once more, as something like happened to me might have happened to you. Anyway, once you are in this mode while not pressing any buttons, you want to then use volume down to scroll down in order to select recovery mode. Confirm it with the power button. So this will now take us to the recovery mode. Let's give it a second. There we go. And from here, we're going to select clear data by just simply tapping on it now. And from here, you can choose clear cache. It's going to give you a pop-up, clear cache. Only cache will be cleared and no device settings or data will be affected. I'm going to click on OK. It's telling you that it's wiping cache right here. Oh, it's actually already finished almost instantly. As you can see, the second option here is cache wipe complete. So we're going to select return, the arrow back, and restart. Now this will just reboot the device once we confirm it and bring us back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.